So who are these star kids? Why are these kids or people are different? How did they happen and why they are showing up among us now? And why we don't hear about it in the news media platform? These are good questions, so bear with me till the end of the video to know the answers. A star kid is defined as a child with both human and extraterrestrial contribution to their origin. Star kids are mostly human but not entirely. They are human but different. They have two human biological parents and are born here on Earth through regular childbirth. They look like other children. They come in every race, nationality, economic stratum and family background. They are the citizens of Earth. But the difference is they have an extraterrestrial component to their makeup. This component may vary from child to child. The extraterrestrial contribution to the child's makeup come during an extraterrestrial encounter with parents or the ancestor. Extraterrestrial genes spliced into human reproductive material through genetic engineering. During an encounter with extraterrestrial, the ET work on an already born child using their advanced biomedical technology, which is able to alter their DNA, adding advanced genetic material and physical therapy to become more psychic, awakened, super intelligent, strong, etc. Every star kid is not fully aware of who they are or why they are the way they are. They just sense that there is something different about themselves. The extraterrestrials are continuing the biological engineering in an ongoing effort from many years to upgrade the human race. These star kids have some ability and psychic skills such as telepathy, mental communication, pre-recognition, knowing the future, remote viewing, mentally viewing the things from distant in space or time, telekinesis, moving object by mental concentration, downloading information mentally from off-planet consciousness, cross-species communication, affecting electrical devices, interdimensional viewing, psychic or bioenergetic healing by transferring helpful energy to a person, levitation, rising from ground by mental effort, pre-sensitivity to earthquake or human disaster. So these are some ability of star kids or people, and these ability vary from person to person. Now you might be thinking that maybe you are one among the star kid or star people having such psychic abilities. That's the great question I would like to answer. Dr. Richard J. Boylan have several experimental studies on children as well as adults to find out the star kid or star people globally all around the world. If you don't know who is Dr. Richard J. Boylan, then he is a PhD behavioral scientist, anthropologist, university associate professor, certified clinical hypnotherapist, consultant and researcher. Dr. Richard J. Boylan is a consultant to the star kid and star seed, seeking to understand their origin, and he found out that the global star kid count is 2.2 billion and the global adult star seed is 1.5 billion. So the total count of star kid and star seed is 3.7 billion including latents. Star kids are those in the age of infant to the age of 19. Star seed are those adults of age 20 to 100 plus. And the latents are those star kid and adult star seed who have not recognized who they are at this time. It is a major issue that not all of these star kids and star seed are awakened, but they feel something different in them as compared to the society and people. Who knows, maybe you are one among these latents. There are a lot more things to discuss about star kid and star seeds, and also about the experiments done by Dr. Richard J. Boylan to identify the star kids and star seeds. So if you want to know more about it, then please comment below to make the second part of it. And I request you to share this video and please subscribe to my channel for your support. And if you want to connect with me, then the link to my Telegram group is given in the description. And thank you for watching the video till the end.